Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with day 22 and 23 for my December daily. We're on the home stretch, people. There's only today's video and tomorrow's video, and my December daily will be done, and then I'll do a flip through a few days after I've done uploading all the pages. So these two pages again are going to be facing each other, and it's going to be one side is going to be green, the other side is going to be red. And on December 22nd, it was our last shopping day. We only had maybe 4 gifts left to buy. So we went and we went shopping. I took a few pictures of that. And again, for lunch, we went to Skipper Jack's. It was exactly like a week later, and I had the seafood chowder again. Oh, yum. It was so good. And my husband had the exact same thing that he had the week before, which was like a seafood platter kind of thing, which he absolutely loved too. And we went to Starbucks again and got myself a peppermint mocha. And then that night when we got home, we finished our wrapping, which was amazing. Everything was done. And then I took a picture of the weather, which it was minus 10 degrees Celsius, which is crazy. And then again, from my new little favorite game, block puzzle, which is actually a game for Mason. While we were actually out shopping, Mason, I had to call my daughter because this is such a cute story. Mason's other set of grandparents, they had taken him and Jess out for lunch sometime the week before, something like that, and they had given them $10. Well, what he wanted to do with that $10 was to buy his mom a Christmas gift. Isn't that cute? And he wanted to buy her a Harry Potter book because he knew that she had a Harry Potter book missing, and that's what he wanted to get her. Well, when they got there, he didn't have enough money for that. So I called Jess and I wanted to know exactly, the story or whatever. And he came on the phone and he said, "Mammy, what are you doing?" I said, "Oh, we're Christmas shopping." He said, "Well, can I come to your house?" I said, "Well, not today because, we were out Christmas shopping and I knew that we want to wrap gifts and it was getting late in the afternoon and all this stuff." I said, "How about tomorrow, Saturday?" And then that way my husband was going to take him skating anyway. So he said, "Yes, it's finally coming true." Okay, if you've been watching my December daily, you know that child comes over to my house at least once a week. It's finally coming true, like he never comes over. But anyway, so we thought that was pretty cute. So what we did was that day we found the Harry Potter book that she wanted, and then the next day when he came over, we got him to wrap it. He was so excited to be able to give that to her. So that's the story for the 22nd. Yes, the 22nd. So that's going to wrap up day 22nd. I added a few embellishments, not too much, just I made one card sort of a filler card. I put Mason skating there, but then I remembered, no, that was Friday night. He didn't come over. So I think after the video turns off, I take the picture off of that, the top right where the little house. I take the picture off there and I put it on the 23rd because that's actually the date that he went skating with my husband, was on December 23rd when he slept over. But I like having a few filler cards. It just kind of, I don't know, adds a little bit of decorations. You don't feel the pressure of, having to take a ton of pictures. And as you can tell, I don't print my pictures really big for my December daily. At one point, I decided just to have them all 2x2s, and I'm okay with that. It still gives a nice overview of everything that we did. And it took a lot of the pressure off too as I was printing my pictures. So anyway, December 23rd, Mason was over. So you're going to see the picture of him actually going skating that day. So more skating for Mason. And then the day before, my husband and I don't do Christmas gifts anymore. We haven't done that in a few years because whenever we want something throughout the year, we just get it. So I'd rather do that than get stuff that, we don't really want. So he loves, and my kids love, beef jerky. Well, we went to Cabela's the day before when we did our shopping, and they had a dehydrator, and it was like a big one, and it was on for like 60% off. It was $100. It was an amazing price. So it has a little heater in it. So I said, let's just get it, and we'll say that that's your Christmas present. So December 23rd, we had gone to Walmart after that, and they had roast beef for, I think we paid $6 each for roast beef, which is like an amazing price. They were, cut down by 60% or something like that, or even more, 70%, because the expiration date was the next day, which he was gonna turn into beef jerky anyways. So we got 2 of them. Well, that day he spent the whole day. Actually, he did some the day before and then some that day, cut them apart, found some recipe online, and marinated the meat, and then did the beef jerky, which they absolutely love. It's not going to go to waste. That machine is going to be used all the time. So that's what I'm talking about, just the machine and all that stuff. And then that evening we went to Greco and just got a Greco pizza and a donair. And that's going to complete day 22nd and day 23rd. And one more video, I'm going to lump up 24, 25, 26 tomorrow. And that's it. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. And if you're enjoying these videos, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, and also maybe leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.